today mag-unbox tayo nitong bagong cellphone holder. Actually, importante talaga yung small accessories like this, lalo na if content creator ka. Honestly, ito yung type ng accessory na hindi mo alam at kailangan mo until meron ka na. What's up guys? Welcome back to Matt Archive. So today mag-unbox tayo nitong bagong cellphone holder na in-order ko online because honestly, hirap mag-shoot kapag improvised setup lang. Importante talaga yung small accessories like this, lalo na if content creator ka. Hindi naman kailangan sobrang expensive agad yung setup mo. Minsan small upgrades lang talaga para mas smooth yung workflow. Okay, first impression, solid yung build niya, hindi mukhang cheap at plastic. This is the magnetic cellphone holder. Honestly, ito yung type ng accessory na hindi mo alam at kailangan mo until meron ka na. And now, ito talaga yung pinaka-excited kong share sa inyo. The DJI Mic Mini 2 na gamit ko ngayon. And been wanting to upgrade my audio setup for a while. Now, kasi let's be real. People can forgive bad video sometimes. Pero pag pangit yung audio, instant swipe sila. Kaya ako nag-upgrade. First thing na napansin ko, sobrang liit niya. Super lightweight to the point na halos hindi mo maramdaman habang suot. Okay, quick audio test. Hello, sound check. So this is the DJI Mic Mini 2. And papakita ko naman sa inyo yung built-in audio ng camera ko. Alright guys, so this is the built-in microphone ng Sony CB-E10 ko. Bro, sobrang laki ng difference. Kita nyo naman guys, sobrang laki ng difference. And teka, babalik ko lang. What I like about this mic is hindi siya intimidating gamitin. Perfect siya for daily vlogs, copies, travel content, interviews, or even TikTok videos. Especially if solo content creator ka, sobrang convenient niya. And honestly, clean audio instantly makes your content feel more premium. So ito yung mini upgrade natin for today. Small setup improvements, pero malaking help talaga for content creation. If you want more tech reviews, creator setups, and weekly lifestyle vlogs, make sure to subscribe Matt Archives. Subscribe for more and see you on the next vlog. Peace. Check, check. 1, 2, 3.